Alright y'all, it's Hood Handyman. What I got here is I got a floor that's sagging. And I'm going to repair this floor from sagging. I'm going to try to take up minimal wood to fix this repair. It's sagging in this area, so I don't know how close the joists are. I know in the ceiling they're like 24 on center, and that's questionable, 24 inches. So I don't know what they did here until I tear this up. First of all, I'd like to dedicate this video to my uncle, Donald Beal. Passed away Christmas Day 2024, which was just a few days ago. And I decided to keep working, keep it moving, and that's what he would have wanted me to do, just keep it moving. So I'm going to try to get this repair done in his memory, and I will leave it at that. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull up this threshold. Threshold pulled up. Right. Excuse me for a second. I step out for 2 seconds. And it's got a piece of metal here. Put it to the side. And now should have had it would have been nice if I had a it would have been nice if I had I'm sorry, lost my train of thought. It would have been nice if I had a shovel for this, but I don't. Alright. Yeah, so I got my little hole piece here. I know you guys can see it that well. I'm trying to reposition the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Alright, we're back. Now you see what I got. I got this little hole right here. Try to fix that. Find out where the studs are. Cut, break, bend, whatever I got to do to get that done. Get that fixed. Hopefully we don't have to go through too much to get this done. Alright. We gotta find the joist there. I don't know where it is on this side. There's one right here. Right here. I gotta find the one over there, and I don't know where it is. So that troubles me because fix this hole. I can find a 2x4 over on this side and nail them two together, and it's not going to work any other way. So maybe it'll work here. Yeah, I can do it that way. I'll put a piece right up to there, and I think I can fix it just right there. Alright. Uncle used to always say, you gotta go for what you know. It is what it is. I'm gonna rip it along this area here. I'm gonna drop a joist from here to here. It's gonna catch this joist. We're gonna block it all in. That's gonna be what's going on. Let's go. And this piece of wood here is back about right here. So I'll be able to see it clearly when I get to this piece over here. So let's go. Come back a little bit more. I'm going to knock all that stuff off along the edge to lay my new piece of wood up there. And I might have to just chip it out of there. There's no other way to really do it. Okay, it's back a little bit more. But you know, I'm trying to, I don't want to throw a whole bunch of wood underneath this thing either. Trying to go back a little bit, about right here. How about right there. All right. Understand what's going on. Need to go back a little more. Looking good though, looking good. We got something going. Alright. So now all I gotta do is just take the take this hammer, clean this up, and drop a piece of wood in there the same size. 2x4 as well. 2x4 and wood. You know how it goes. Alright, just pull up the edge. Pull this up right here. Alright y'all, so right now, as you see what's going on here, you see the hole, and you see the edges, the outline edges, and that's where I'm going to lay a piece of this plywood on top. I'm going to take some measurements, and you should see a 2x4 sitting over there in the corner. I'm going to lay that in there. Then I'm going to toenail a piece of that wood up under the floor. I could use an L bracket, but you know, it is what it is. So first we gotta finish cleaning out the little crumbs over here on the other side over here. So step over here. Alright, Wood Handyman, I'm back. Found me a nice piece of 2x4 here. It should fit. So what I'm going to do, like I mentioned earlier, is I'm going to get a measurement, a straight measurement from here to here. Oh, take measure I don't want to do right. Looks like they tried to make a lazy 15. So a little bit bigger than 15. I'll go ahead and take about 14 to 7/8. 14 to 7/8. That will be the size. Perfect. Won't get no better than that. It's perfect. Don't even need to butt it no more. Get in. Toenail it. Toenail it right in there. Please don't cut corners on your screws, because if you put them in there right, you might not have to use an L bracket or anything. Put screws in there, keep it moving. You hear that noise? That means it's going in there real good. And if you have it boxed all the way around, which is the best scenario, anytime you gonna do fix a floor, and it'll just maintain the integrity of your stepping experience, if that makes sense. Trying to get any screws out of the way. I'll lay this piece of wood down there. Not no problem. Alright, so now for the part y'all been waiting for, or I've been waiting for. Let's measure this box. We're gonna have about 14.5 width. Yep, a 14.5 inch width. I got a little bit more shipping to do right here. So 14.5. By 16. Alright, y'all. I'm back. We're going to cut this piece of wood. I've already measured it there. 14.5 by 16.25. No sawhorse, nothing. We're going at it just like we're going at it. Going at it how we're going at it. Piece here. Move this out of the way. Get it with one hand. What the heck going on? Alright. Let's go. Okay. Glass is still fogged up. Yeah, go for what you know. I wouldn't call this working on a subfloor, because the subfloor is a little bit more in detail. That's what we might have to do in there, but we did touch on that when we fixed that. Had to put that joist in there. So it's a good handyman. Please like and subscribe. Please share this video. I'm out.